I'm back. JJBB Minecraft Gaming, and I have built. And I have built a chicken farm. I know it's not the really good chicken farms, but I just built it myself. Now I will tell you guys how to build it. So first, you're gonna get any block of your choice. You're gonna go boop, 1 block, up 3 blocks, more. So we're gonna have 4 blocks. Go 2 blocks to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 blocks down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 blocks to the left. 1, 2, 3.
You guys can have snout rhinos. You haven't had snacks.
That was so nice. And then you're gonna then you're just gonna cover the rest it to like a box.
Look, my phone's all like.
Did you break it?
And then you're going to make it a layer higher. Make it a layer higher. Yep. And then you're going to cover it with glass.
I was the one who paid for it. You didn't pay for it? Exactly. You didn't even have money. Dude, where's the ball?
Hey!
Outline the whole, cover the whole sides with glass so that the chickens won't be able to get out. You can still see the chickens. Okay, so next you're going to get a sign. You're going to put the sign right here, exit, and then right here, exit, and then right here, exit, then right here, exit, and then there you go. And then now you're going to fill it with water, and the signs are supposed to make sure the water doesn't go down to here. And then, oh no, I can't fly. What the heck? I can't fly. So then you are going to place chickens right here to spawn as many. Actually, no, you're gonna have to make another layer because the chickens will come out, and you don't want that. So you're gonna make a higher layer, and then you're gonna spawn as many chickens as you would like. I'm just gonna just spawn this much, and then all of them will float to there. And I know this isn't the one that I was making because I kind of messed up. But if you are going to make the one I made, you're gonna put I'm gonna put 6 hoppers where the chickens are, and 1 hopper going into the chest, so that, and all the hoppers have to be connected to the one going into the chest, or else the eggs won't go into the chest. So just do that before you put in the chickens. But if someone wanted to just be normal, you're gonna spawn chickens and then breed them. Just feed them and feed them and feed them. And then, if you want to, you're just gonna wait. And then when you think that they got an egg pooped, then you're going to go down here and then just walk around, all around it, and fly right back out. And if you have eggs, then good. If you have eggs, you're going to throw the eggs and then see if there's chickens inside the eggs. So like this. You're going to take an egg, egg and just roll it. See that it had a chicken? I mean creative, so I got more than one egg. But yeah, just do that. And that is it. If you liked my video, please subscribe and like it, of course. And tell me what you want me to do next down below. Have a nice day and goodbye.